Okay, so I'm currently here at Bonifacio Drive in Iloilo. So what you're looking right now is a new project being built here at the Iloilo Provincial Capital at the front. So what looks to be before the old building of Department of Tourism right above this area is actually no more. So they've demolished the building, and then also before they used to have here a overpass. Now it's gone. So the provincial government decided to remove it, and I think, and also they decided to develop the front area. Also here we have, besides the Museo Iloilo, is of course the old Iloilo Provincial Prison, which used to be an old building, old facade building here. It's now new. So together with that, after building this new look of the prison building, they also developed the front of it as well as the surrounding areas. So as you can see, it's very different right now. So they left the trees, of course, the old ones. And yeah, so this is just a short glimpse of what to come until the project finishes. This one I think is around 400 million in budget. So hopefully the government would try to finish this project within this year. So maybe we can try to fly a drone and take a look at it from the air. So you can see the area from above.